Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Shivangi, and in today's video we'll be making a pizza doodle. So for that I'll be using the ball pen. I have been loving the ball pen tool in it for the outline purpose, and making a rough structure at the beginning would be the starting of our doodle making. Make a rough structure, and after that delete the or erase the portions which you don't want, the outline, make it a smooth structure. And once you are fully satisfied with the structure and the outcome of whatever you did, you are ready to color. Here I am adding some circles just to make vegetables. You can obviously add cheese, mushrooms and jalapenos, whatever you want, whatever you like in the pizza. I have made only red and green vegetables just to make it easy for the beginners out there. So I've used the circle option for the vegetables, drawing the vegetables, and fill option to color them up. I love to use the dark and light shades of the same color in Doodle to make it look more prettier and color bounded. So in this also I've used a dark and lighter shades of brown for the pizza base, and then red and green for vegetables. There is no symmetry of making the vegetables, just pour them here and there. And then I'm making the eyes. For eyes I'm using another layer so that it would be easier for me to transform them and merge them into the pizza layer. I made 2 circles of black, and over that I would be making 2 dots of white just to make it look more cute. For the eyes, a big circle, below that a small circle of white makes it look real and cute. Then adding a smiley face would add some sort of cuteness into my doodle. I love just the smiley faces in doodles, and every single time I make doodle I make sure that it has a smiley face in it. Then I'll be making a tongue, giving some details to it, and after completing the tongue I'll be going to some shading process. Now I really love the doodles which are glossy and looks shinier, the light comes on it. So for that I first use the solid brush, for the paint brush, for highlighting and making some white lines here and there, and then I'll be using the airbrush technique for making it look more glossier. After once I've completed the white portions, I come to the darker shading, darker portions, and I'll be using the dark brown color with the airbrush to make it. And if it comes out of the structure, don't worry, you can obviously erase it anytime. I erased it, and now it's the time for making the boundaries thicker. I've used the again ball pen with a little larger size, and yeah, once I've completed the boundary I'm ready to go. Our pizza doodle is ready. So let me know if you like this, if this video would be helpful for you. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest updates.